Hey there, guys. So I just wanted to show you a quick rundown of my week 3 for January. I'm not 100% yet. I think I'm going to put the dates here. But I did this with a Dutch door style. So my birthday is this month, and I made this little birthday cake. I have a goals page, my priorities, things I have to get done. On the back side of this one, it's just going to be things I don't forget because things come across my desk daily that I need to do. And then here, I actually cut out 2 pages, and that was the scariest thing I ever did. And I thought that I ruined on the seam that was right here because it was like 2 pages that were sewed together. That I did the weekly. So it's every day through the week, and then my notes for next week. I did a little copy. I printed this little thing out, and then I kind of put it on the back, and I copied through. I thought it was really cool. Then my habit tracker, and I put these on the left because when I'm here, I want to be able to see them, or if I'm here, I still wanted to be able to see them. And these are just some tasks that go along with some of my goals for the week. And on the little vertical ones that I did, I actually put washi tape and rounded those corners. And I used a lot of different colors for this just because it is my birthday month and it's kind of exciting. But one thing here is I put in this one Dutch door so that it actually will open. And then my top 10 goals and my gratitude are gonna go here. And I did a little flower there and a little thing here. And this is the first time I've really hand drawn anything in my bullet journal other than just graphs and pixel pages, trackers and things like that. So I'm pretty happy with it so far, and we'll see how the week goes next Sunday. Thanks for watching. Bye.